Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that he will not sell the company's shares for the next 2 years. This is reported by the Wall Street Journal. I will not sell shares for probably 2 years. Certainly not next year under any circumstances, and probably not the year after next year, Musk said. His comments came after a sell-off in Tesla shares intensified on Thursday due to concerns about the decline in demand for electric cars and because Musk was distracted on Twitter. I'm not going to sell Tesla stock. Probably in 2 years, probably not next year under any circumstances, and probably not in an hour, Musk said. Previously, he promised not to sell Tesla shares before their subsequent sale. Last week, Musk announced the sale of another $3.6 billion in shares, bringing the total since the end of last year to about $40 billion, which disappointed investors as the company's shares fell to a 2-year low. I had to sell some shares to make sure that the gunpowder was dry. In case of a worst-case scenario, the billionaire said. He added that Tesla's board of directors is open to buying back shares, but it will depend on the extent of the recession. Tesla shares fell 9% on Thursday, after the company began offering large discounts to consumers in the United States of $7,500, which raised investor concerns about declining demand as the economy slows. I think there will be some kind of macroeconomic drama that is bigger than people think now, he said, adding that economic conditions will disproportionately affect real estate and cars. Context. The head of the Louis Vuitton Moët Hennessy LVMH group of companies, Bernard Arnault, has replaced Elon Musk, the founder of the Tesla and SpaceX companies, from the first place in the ranking of the world's richest people. This is evidenced by data from Forbes and Bloomberg. Arnault's capital Forbes estimates at $187.1 billion, Bloomberg at $171 billion. Musk's fortune decreased to $176.8 billion, according to Forbes. Bloomberg estimates his capital at $164 billion. Musk's capital began to decrease after the acquisition of the Twitter social network for $44 billion. Elon Musk's fortune continues to fall a week after he lost his place as the richest man in the world. Ego's net worth fell by $7.7 billion on Tuesday, after shares of Tesla Inc. suffered the largest one-day losses since October. The day before, Elon Musk sold another tranche of Tesla shares worth almost $3.6 billion, which became the fourth sale since he announced the acquisition of the Twitter social network. The Wall Street Journal writes that the sale of these shares means that the head of Tesla has sold shares of the company worth more than $39 billion since they reached their peak in November 2021. Tesla, once the most expensive car manufacturer in the world, has lost more than $700 billion in market capitalization since then.